Okay, in this video we now have our diver, which can be moved by the user, controlled by the user, and we've got a background. And currently our background is just a picture. There's nothing dangerous about those red blobs, but we can bring those, make those more interactive as we go on. But the next thing we like to do is put a prize in there for the diver. The diver needs to go and catch something. So let's go and see if we can find a fish. We're in people, don't want to be there, so I'll go up a level. I want animals. And let's just, oh, there we are, there's a fish. So, pop that fish in. That fish is massive. So, let's make him considerably smaller. Small fish. We just want that fish to be about that size. Now, immediately I'm looking at that fish and thinking he's very difficult to see. So what can I do? I can go and edit him. So if I edit the fish, I get a bucket, and I'll give him a nice dark colour. Let's make him a purple colour. Okay. Purple with a purple tail. Now that colour purple will become very important later on when we come to try and catch him, or could become important later on. We can choose, when the diver wants to catch the fish, we can either say to the computer program, when the diver touches that colour purple, or there's something else we could do, which is give the sprite a name. So let's call it fish. We'll call it fish 1 just in case we think of adding more fish later. So we've got fish 1, and so we could also now tell the computer if the diver touches fish 1, then you can score points, whatever. So back to the game. We've got a diver who just moves around quite nicely, user controlled, and we've got a fish that just currently sits there. So let's give the fish something very simple to do. So we'll just say when the green flag is clicked, forever move 10 steps, let's make it 8 steps, move 8 steps, and we'll also say if on edge bounce. Remember, if we don't want the fish to turn upside down when it hits the edge, we will click this one which says only face left or right. So now we've got a fish that swims backwards and forwards, and we've got a diver that can move around. Good touch the fish. Okay, so that is adding a fish into the game, but we haven't yet made a game. We've just got a fish that moves on its own and a diver that moves when the user moves it. So in the next video we'll look at how we can get a game out of these characters.